Hey guys, check this out. If your car right now is hazy on the hood, the roof, and the trunk, do not wax your car. This is just water. I'm gonna spray some water on here. Look at that. Okay? So watch this. I'm gonna wipe this. This is just a towel. Okay? If your car does that, looks good when it's wet, dries up, gets ugly again, do not wax your car. Let me tell you why. When your clear coat is contaminated or oxidized, you've got stuff embedded in there that's eating away the clear coat. You've all seen the clear coats when they begin to peel, erode, and blister off on the hood, roof, and trunk. So this needs to be removed. So the way to fix it is with Lukat Fix It. Lukat Fix It is a paint cleaner. It's not a wax. Watch what happens. That same spot where I put the water on, that hazed up, I'm gonna use a towel like this. Don't do circles because there's no wax in this product. It's a cleaner. You don't need a machine. You guys can do it by hand or with the machine. It's up to you. But look at what I'm doing. I'm just going back and forth over the same area. You don't put this on like wax. You clean the same spot until it clears up. It's a cleaner. It cleans but doesn't bite. So you're not gonna cut into the clear coat or the good base coat. This is a cleaner that'll remove the contamination, the oxidation, the water stains, hard water stains, minerals, spray paint, tree sap, tar. It's a cleaner, not a wax, guys. Look at this. All I'm doing is cleaning the same spot. And all that stuff's coming off is the contamination that's embedded in this clear coat. This is a clear coat, guys. Okay, so now cleaned it. Look at this. Look how beautiful that came out. This is what you use. Lukat Fix It. So again, if your paint job is hazy on the hood, roof and trunk, top parts, and it looks good when it's wet, dries up, gets ugly again, don't wax it, fix it with Lukat Fix It. Go to lukatdetail.com, order your bottle today. A car like this is about 2 to 3 bottles. Got questions? Call us up at 505-304-8652. This will fix your paint. There's no wax here. No wax at all. 100% clean. Now, if you want to wax it, buy the better waxes, the good waxes. This is going to clean it up and bring it back. Later, guys.
And be sure to hit like and subscribe and the bell notification.
Yeah, like and subscribe, please.